Aura versus Qustodio. Aura is designed as a complete digital security platform. It offers identity theft protection, credit monitoring, VPN, antivirus, and parental controls all in one subscription. Families looking for an all-in-one around protection solution may find Aura appealing. So what's its pros is it covers identity theft, credit monitoring, and fraud alerts. It has a built-in VPN and antivirus included. It has parental controls with screen time limits and activity monitoring. It also offers a one subscription that can cover multiple family members, and it has real-time fraud and security alerts. The cons is though, it can be more expensive than dedicated parental control apps, and the features are not as advanced as Custodio, and some users may find the dashboard overwhelming. Now, Custodio, on the other hand, is a specialized parental control app focused on monitoring and managing kids' online activities. It provides powerful tools for parents to set screen time, filter web content, and monitor calls and messages. So, what it's offering is the pros. It's excellent parental control and the tracking features. It also has an easy to use dashboard for parents. It has works across multiple devices, which means it works on PC, Mac, iOS, and Android. It also is great for families who primarily want the kid monitoring tools, and it's affordable compared to Aura. The cons is though, it doesn't offer identity theft protection or credit monitoring. There's also no antivirus or VPN built in, and it has a limited to child activity monitoring. So if your main goal is to protecting your own children online, then Custodio is the better choice because of its advanced parental control features. But if you want an all-in-one security feature, including identity theft protection and VPNs, then Aura offers more.